Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. Today we will discuss about list comprehension in Python. So let's get started. List comprehension in Python provide a concise way to create lists. It is more readable and often faster than traditional for loops for creating lists. Let's see the syntax for list comprehension. In square bracket, first provide expression, then for loop, and then condition. This is an example of list comprehension. Here we are creating a list of squares. Firstly, in square bracket, we have passed x square and then for loop which starts from 0 and goes till 9 and print the list which contains squares of these numbers. We can also pass conditional logic inside list comprehension. Let's see example of this. In this example, we are creating a list of even numbers. The expression is we are returning x if x is divisible by 2 from numbers 0 to 9. You can nest list comprehension to create list of list. For example, here we are creating a matrix of 3 cross 3. For every value of I, j will run 3 times and print the matrix. You can also include multiple if conditions in list comprehension. For example, here in this, we are getting the list of numbers which is divisible by both 2 and 3 starting from 0 goes till 19. You can also create a dictionary using list comprehension. In this example, first we have created a list of numbers. Then we are creating a dictionary where keys are the list of these numbers and value is the square of these numbers which we are iterating using for loop and printing the dictionary. Hope you understood list comprehension. Please provide your queries in the comment section. We will be happy to answer that. See you in the next video.